Empire. Kingdom of Vijayanagar was founded by Harihar and Bukka. Who founded the Vijayanagar Empire in 1336 CE? Harihar and Bukka. Vijayanagar Empire established in year 1336. Who was the founder of Vijayanagar Empire? Harihar and Bukka. Vijayanagar Kingdom was founded by Harihar and Bukka. Which among the following kingdom was founded by two brothers Harihar and Bukka? Vijayanagar. Ruling dynasty Sangam Sulub Tullub, they are associated with Vijayanagar. Who of the following founded a new city of the south bank of tributary to river Krishna and undertook to rule his new kingdom as a great of deity to whom all the land south of river Krishna was supposed to belong? Harihar 1. The lady poet who described the victorious expedition of her husband in her work Madhura Vijayam was Ganga Devi. Identify the first ruler of Vijayanagar who captured Goa from Bahmani. Harihar 2. Who among the following Vijayanagar Empire constructed a large dam across Tungbhadra river and canal cum aqueduct several kilometers long from the river of the capital? Dev Rai 1. Large dam across Tungbhadra. Narsimha Sulub ended the Sangam dynasty and seized the throne for himself and started the Sulub dynasty. Bir Narsimha deposed the last Sulub ruler and seized the throne for himself. Bir Narsimha was succeeded by his younger brother Krishna Dev Rai. Krishna Dev Rai was succeeded by his half brother Achyut Rai. With whom did the king of Vijayanagar Krishna Dev Rai fight the battle of Golconda? Krishna Dev Rai or Kuli Kutub Shah? Who of the following rulers medieval India gave permission to Portuguese to build a fort at Batkal? Krishna Dev Rai. Astadiggaj in the court of Krishna Dev Rai. 8 Telugu poet. Who among these known as Andhra Bhoj? Krishna Dev Rai. Astadiggaj were associated with Krishna Dev Rai. Ruling period of Krishna Dev Rai was the golden age of Telugu. City was founded by Krishna Dev Rai. Nagalapura. Krishna Dev Rai, ruler of Vijayanagar, wrote the Treaty of Amuktamallayada. Krishna Dev Rai is also known by the name of Andhra Bhoj. Who among the following famous rulers founded the suburban township of Magalpuram near Vijayanagar after his mother's name? Krishna Dev Rai. Which of the following poet title Andhra Kavita Pitama by Krishna Dev Rai? Alasani Pedana. In which language did poet Malanarya compose the text Bhav Chintaratna and Bir Savam Savarita in the court of Krishna Dev Rai, Kannada? Abdul Razak visited Vijayanagar during the reign of Dev Rai II. Vijayanagar ruler court of Vijayanagar ruler Dev Rai II as Persian ambassador. Abdul Razak. Which among the following king reigned Persian traveller Abdul Razak came Krishna Dev Rai II? Niccolo Conti, Italian traveller who visited Vijayanagar Empire. According to Portuguese writer Nunes, the women in Vijayanagar Empire were expert in wrestling, astrology, accounting or soothsaying. Who among these was famous for Telugu translation? देखे फेमस फॉर तेलुगु ट्रांसलेशन नन्या और टिकाना. Sayana, the famous commentator of Vedic text, was patronized by Vijayanagar ruler. Sayana, the famous commentator of the Vedic text, flourished during the reign of Vijayanagar king, enthroned 500 years ago, Krishnadev Rai. Famous battle held in 1565, Battle of Talikota. Which famous war took place in 1565? Talikota War. The Battle of Talikota fought between Vijayanagar and combined force of Bijapur and Ahmednagar Golconda. Battle of Talikota 1565. When Raja Bodayar founded the kingdom of Mysore, who was the ruler of Vijayanagar Empire? Venkata II. Chief characteristic of the financial system of Vijayanagar Empire? Land revenue. Regarding the taxation system of Krishnadev Rai, ruler of Vijayanagar, considered tax rate on land was fixed depending on the quality of the land. Private owner of worship paid an industry tax. Runs of which of the following represent the old capital of Vijayanagar? Hampi. Remains Vijayanagar Empire are founded in Hampi. कैपिटल ऑफ विजयनगर हम तुंगभद्रा रिवर के पास हम्पी. रूलर विजयनगर. एम्बेसडर टू एम्पेयर ऑफ चाइना बुक्का वन. in whose court the famous Telugu poet Srinath Dev Rai II building Kalyan Mandap was notable feature in the temple construction in the kingdom of Vijayanagar. Kalyan Mandap. Where is the famous Vijay Vithal temple having its 56 carved pillar emitting musical notes located? Hampi. Which South Indian dance tradition was first developed during the time of Vijayanagar? Yakshagan.